Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to master the art of free body diagrams by drawing the FBD for a 500 kilograms barrel. So, let's get started. First, let's identify all the forces acting on the barrel. We have the weight of the barrel, which is the force due to gravity. We'll represent this force as a downwards arrow, labeled as W. Next, we have the normal force. This force is exerted by the ground on the barrel and is perpendicular to the surface. The normal force counteracts the weight of the barrel, so we'll draw an upwards arrow labeled as N. Another force at play here is the frictional force. The frictional force acts parallel to the surface in the opposite direction of motion. We'll represent this force with an arrow pointing to the left, labeled as F. Now, if the barrel is on an inclined plane, we'll have an additional force called the force of gravity along the inclined surface. This force will be labeled as W parallel. Finally, if the barrel is on an inclined plane, we'll also have a force perpendicular to the inclined plane. This force will be labeled as W perpendicular. Now that we have identified all the forces, let's summarize them. We have the weight downwards as W, the normal force upwards as N, the frictional force to the left as F, the force of gravity parallel to the inclined surface as W parallel, and the force of gravity perpendicular to the inclined surface as W perpendicular. Drawing free body diagrams is a crucial skill in physics. By analyzing the forces acting on an object, we can better understand its motion and predict how it will behave. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. See you next time.